Hey guys, good morning. I'm done cleaning my bedroom and now it's time to brush. The morning tea is ready, and in this, the ginger is love. For me, it is love because it increases the taste of the tea and makes it very tasty. So, we have sprouts, one of my favorite, for breakfast. Hello, guys. So I just finished freshing up and had some chorus. I did that, and now I'm having my cup of tea. Let me show you. Okay, guys, during this winter, right, your skin becomes dried, rough. Okay, so I suggest you one thing which I am using from years. Okay, so this is almond. This is almond honey almond body lotion from Khadi. Okay, if you get in Amazon, you get in one shop, you know. If you are in Nagpur and if you stay in Nagpur, just visit this place. It is before Shukravali Talab. Okay, I mean there's a Khadi shop and you get this and you get a lot of good things over there. You can go over there and purchase whatever you want in a very low price. Okay, an appropriate price also, not so cheap, not so expensive. Okay, even if you like khadi wearings or anything, you know, clothes, you can go over there. Okay, it's all khadi. So this what I'll recommend you. It's very nice and I'm using from years. I did not count how many years, but I mean it's been, might be 5 6 years. This is the only cream what I use. And I, when it comes to winter, I don't like this when the face dries up and it's so much, it's so much. I think my lips also now it's drying up. Actually, it's drying up. Okay, so in this time also I use some Vaseline or some lip balm, yeah, because to keep my lips moist. Yeah, so guys, yesterday was so busy day, and I'm very sorry that I couldn't vlog because they didn't allow us. I was vlogging the Heslab College. It is a beautiful compound inside, a beautiful garden inside, a very big college, a very well-known college, and ultimately they stopped me. And I also vlogged many things yesterday, but I couldn't put in the vlog. So in this vlog, you can have a look. Okay, the thing what I vlogged yesterday was I spoke about was of religion. Okay, mm, friends, and I recommend the one-to-one relationship. If you are from other caste or you belong to other caste, do not lose hope, friends. Do not lose, because see, these religion, this caste doesn't matter. First and foremost thing, the generation of today is have reached so far, so far. Okay, and these are all orthodox things. Yeah, it's not that we should not respect, but if you're following their religion, let them also follow. Means just make it a mutual happening, mutual understanding. That's it. I would just say this. Yeah, there's no need to suicide, please. There's always a way, there's always a solution for every problem. Okay, it depends how you take it, it depends how you form it. Okay, so I'll just recommend this to you. Okay, and see, if you see, I can just say in a simple word, if you have friends of different religion, why you cannot have a relationship with different religion, and why can't you marry the other caste? Tell me, am I saying wrong? Tell me. Yeah, there are different types of traditions in each and every religion and caste, but but we need to follow it for our partner, for our friends. So I recommend, I tell you, friend, whatever happens in life, whatever, do not go into depression, do not harm yourself, do not lose hope. Okay, do not for anything. Like, See, I started vlogging, seeing those people like so much. I mean, I would not name anybody, but the time when the time will come, I would name. Okay, but I wanted to vlog on my granny's death anniversary. That was 23rd. It was like I want to vlog. I want to start vlogging, but slowly, that thing was in my mind. Okay, that thing was in my mind. I have to start. Chalo, why not to show up or showcase something. Okay, just to share, because I'm a person, I write a lot. Okay, and there are views from my friends and my family members, my colleagues. Okay, that I write beautifully, and something is there. But what brings me out of it? So I was like, chalo, I will only to express myself. Why cannot I talk to people around? Okay, if my words, if my talks, if my written things are very expressive, so why am I by talking too, right? So I'm like, chalo, I will start this. And I would continue. My brother, he's like, you're getting only this much, you're only this much. I said, it's just a start. It's just a start for me. See, a child never, when he or she is born, they don't start walking or talking, right? They also have some efforts in between. Okay, in between the a span is there. Okay, they take time. Yeah, if they take time to grow up by themselves. Even when they see people, they imitate. Yeah, they imitate, yes, others, and do their actions. Okay, if you have a child in your house, you would observe this thing, yeah, very carefully. Yes, so friends, I just tell you, do not lose hope for anything, no matter what comes in your life, no matter what. Yeah, so today is a busy kind of a day. I have sent my lesson plans to my professor. Today is my lesson. Okay, I will take a vlog for that also. I will show you how it goes. Yeah, it's an online lecture for me. It is at 3 o'clock. Okay, and yeah, so now for breakfast there is also idlis and dosa. Okay, I do not know mama will make dosa or no, but I think idli, because it's going to one place, it's an order. Okay, usually it's a family order only, because she herself recommended, she wanted to help. Okay, and my mother is a teacher. Okay, and today even she's gonna is gonna shoot her lesson. So I just went and left my dad on the bus stop. I did not vlog, okay, but tomorrow if I get a chance, I surely vlog, because there are a lot of things to show. Okay, and you have got coconut, because mama is going to make chutney, and it's difficult, but yes, it is said, difficulties lead us to final beautiful roads. So if I connect with this coconut, okay, of course, after cleaning this coconut, I will for sure get something yummy out of it. It's all about nature, friends. It's all about nature. Nature gives us so much, but we always forget how to give it back or how to treat it. So, however, I think this lockdown has taught us many things, Yes, and I think now humans are pretty much aware of things, very much pretty aware when it comes to money, when it comes to anything to spend. Okay, because they all know that these are materialistic things. Some might have understood, but some need to be understood. They need to learn more, they need to understand things more. So I feel that my coconut is ready. Yeah. Yes. So afternoon we have methi bhaji, fenugreek with potatoes in it. So friends, this is one slot of idli which is prepared, okay, and my mama's idli is very, very soft. You can actually, you can see how easily it's getting. It's so soft and so nice. Okay, see the softness. So guys, we are moving from the house now, and we have packed everything. Okay, so let us see how much we are in profit. But in this we see that, you know, how much you give, always give, you know. It's not like always give, but don't, after giving, do not expect anything from them. Yeah, it's always a fund of giving, not taking. Yeah, and especially the ones who need help, anybody, just go and help out, no matter how the situation and what not. Yeah, it's a good day, it's a beautiful day. And even though your day is not good, not beautiful, some problems are going on, but still make it a point that you yourself as human, you have to make your day beautiful and good by yourself. So guys, we have reached the stall. It's a small stall, okay, and you see in a small stall we have this, yeah, to Google Pay and to Paytm. And when you see, when we went to Max, yeah, we had so much of problem over there. Okay, so this is Mother Tea stall, okay, and it's a breakfast center, okay, where you can come and you can eat a lot of yummy things. For sure, it is very yum and very tasty. So just come over here if you're there in Nagpur anytime, yeah, and you can have each bit of taste in your mouth. Okay, so yeah, this is somewhere, this is called Shamshan Road, something like that, yeah, on the way, yeah. So you can come anytime when you cross here, anything, you can come and over here, come here and have good breakfast. Believe me, it would be yummy no matter what they give you. This is a chutney what mama has made with idlis. Guys, here we have the stall member Tina Cosmos, and she have a stall now in post lockdown. Okay, so Tina दी, tell me how was the lockdown? आपका लॉकडाउन कैसे था, आप बताइए.
लॉकडाउन तो बहुत डेंजर था, बिकॉज क्योंकि हमारे जॉब भी जा चुके थे और सैलरी नहीं था. जो हमने हमारी सैलरी में से जो कुछ भी रखा हुआ था बचा के, तो वो पूरा हमारा लॉकडाउन में ऐसा तो हमारा खर्चा हो गया, पैसा जो भी था. दैन अभी जो बचा हुआ था, अभी 2-3 महीना हम और आगे बढ़ा सकते थे, बट उसके बाद में क्या करना को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. मैंने कहा इतना जो थोड़ा बहुत पैसा बचा है, तो मैंने सोचा कि अभी उसको कुछ काम में लगाना चाहिए, क्योंकि आगे अभी जॉब का कुछ ऐसा कुछ पता ही नहीं कि कब स्टार्ट होगा कब नहीं होगा. तो फिर उसके बाद में मैंने ये सोचा कि जब मेरा जो पैसे बचे हुए हैं उसको मैं कुछ इन्वेस्ट करती हूँ और उसके थ्रू मैं कुछ कमाई करूँगी करके. मैंने सोचा कि मेरा ये एक स्टॉल खोल लेती हूँ यहाँ पे. तो फिर मैंने उसके बाद फिर मेरा स्टॉल मैंने स्टार्ट करा और यहाँ पे मैं नाश्ता, चाय, कॉफ़ी, ये सब चीज़ें मैं रखी है. तो अभी रेगुलरली अभी रेगुलर लाइफ अभी थोड़े आरामदायक हो चुकी है. बट लॉकडाउन बहुत डेंजर था. ये हमने देखिए कोरोना क्या होता है और क्या कर सकता है.
So guys, you have heard the story how the lockdown. So now we'll come to know that, now we'll ask that how she's feeling in the stall now. अभी टीना दी, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? एक स्टॉल आ गया आपका, आपके कस्टमर्स है, कितने कस्टमर्स आते हैं, कितना होता है आपका एक दिन का, आप बताइए.
मुझे अभी तो ये मेरा खुद का चीज़ हो गया है, मेरा खुद का बिजनेस हो गया है, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है इस चीज़ से. और अभी जस्ट अभी ज़्यादा दिन नहीं हुआ लगा के, बट लोग काफ़ी अच्छे आते हैं और नाश्ता वगैरह पूरा फ्रेश होता है, तो सभी लोग बहुत तारीफ़ करते हैं. और धीरे धीरे भी कस्टमर बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Okay, thank you so much, Tina Didi. It was good talking to you. Okay, we wish you all the best for your stall, and day to day your money should go double and triple, and you should earn much and more. And we do appreciate that, you know, after this lockdown also, after going through so much also, you have not stepped back in your life. So guys, my only suggestion to you is, whatever problems you have, whatever things you go through, do not step back, just move with the positivity, as Tina Didi has done that. So thank you.